Guys, I'm back here again with another one, and it's a beautiful morning, actually, an amazing one as well. So, I'm just going to be dropping an update on Skill Step Index 5 up that I analyzed last month. So, basically, um, when we are on our daily time frame, I could remember in the last video that I said that there was a zone that I was anticipating the market to get back into, and once the market get back into that zone, we should be expecting the market to reverse from there, guaranteed, I guess. But however, the market did not do that. The market actually bled below that zone that I was expecting, or I analyzed to be the zone that I was expecting the market to make a reverse from. So I was checking the market, seeing where this market will reverse to, because I definitely was in anticipation that this market is going to go up, no doubt. But the market keep bleeding down. It kept bleeding down. So I was anticipating and looking for probable zones that this market could actually move to, and that was where I now realized a place that I saw that the market has reversed to in the past on a daily time frame, and that was where it made a correction of continuation reversal to confirm that zone and then to continue its movement to the upside, and that was where I saw this market reverse to. So I was seeing a lot of things, but I did not take this entry actually, but I'm just trying to document it down here for you people to see and for you to people to notice what I have noticed as well in this market, that sometimes the market might go back to a place that, or a zone, to retest that zone continuously at least 3 times, or should I say at most 3 times. So looking at this zone, in my own opinion, I would say that this market or this instrument reversed to this place to give us a triple bottom so far that we are going to move up, because I'm thinking that we're definitely going to move up. So we have our first move to the reversal to retest that zone here, which was the first one. We have the second one here as well, which confirmed to us a double bottom. But instead of it to come and retest at the zone of the upside where we were anticipating the market to move from, it did not do that. What did it do? It bled down again to come to that zone, initial zone that it has retested, to give us now a triple bottom, giving us a bullish engulfing candle, or should I say a morning star. And as you can see, the next day after it, which was yesterday, the market gave us a massive bullish move to the upside. So what is that confirming to us? There is probability that this market might continue its move to the upside, and we are going, if anybody took a trade from that place yesterday or day before yesterday, the person will definitely be in profit at the moment and will be expecting to move to the upside to take their first TP, which is around 10,950 thereabout. The first TP, if it were to be me actually. However, I want to tell you the reason why I was unable to get into this entry, enter this market at this first zone. Do you remember that we always talk about counter trend lines whenever we want to take our entries? Yes. So that counter trend line was what protected me from entering this market and did not take this market. So as you can see from my trade here, or from my chart here, you can see that I have like two or three counter trend lines that I drew that was guiding me, that when it approached that vest zone or that daily zone, that I was anticipating the market to move around first. And as you can see, the market did not give us what we were looking for. So if you go to a lower time frame, let's say around a 30 minutes time frame, you can realize that the market was doing its things, but it wasn't giving us a reason to enter. There's so much consolidation, and most of the time, if we are going to consolidate, my apologies about that. If we are going to consolidate most of the time below a counter trend line, there's a possibility that the market might just shoot out of that counter trend line to give us a reason to continue the move to the upside. However, if that doesn't happen, then we're going to continue to the downside as well. So that was what happened. So I was expecting this market to shoot out. Well, it did not do that. So I did not enter this trade. And let's say even if there was a scenario that this market shoots out of that counter trend line, I will still wait for another confirmation to confirm my entry. And what confirmation is that? I will let that market shoot out as it has done. Then I will wait for the market to come back and retest, or price to come back and retest a zone that is close to where price shots out from. And once it give me a confirmation, once it reverses to that place to give me a reason to continue the trade, I would have taken the trade. But however, I think I saw that on another counter trend line that I drew. But instead of it to come to reverse, which it did, and retest a zone close to where the counter trend line shot out, it did not do that. Instead, it bled inside into that counter trend line again and continue its trend to the downside. And that was one of the reasons why I did not take this trade. So can you see how taking a good quality setup and following your trading book and your journal and your rules help you to stay risk free most of the times without wasting money on your account? So these are the things that I go through whenever I am doing my mentorship with my students. So I go deep whenever I do mentorship with my students so that they can know and get these things better, and to be able to make good decisions and to be a good trader so that they can make money independently on their own. So that is what I have for you guys. So if you like what you have seen or what I've shared with you guys, kindly click the subscribe button, share this video, and also do well to like the button, do well to like this video, and also do not forget to share this video to those who would benefit from watching this video, to probably increase their knowledge in trading or analyzing the market, and also taking good entries, because as you can see, we always take sniper entries most of the time of our trade. So you should learn how to do that, and I offer that in my mentorship. So you should grab the mentorship opportunity. So do well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and peace out. Bye.